Cul-de-sac location in wonderful community west/amenities pool, walking trails, playground and courts. Open floor plan. Great room west/gas fireplace. Kitchen includes gas range, breakfast nook, center island, and custom tile backsplash. Formal dining room perfect for family dinners. Professionally landscaped yard west/large patio and fire pit. Finished 3-car garage west/additional insulation and storage, plus 24 by 11 bonus room off the garage, currently used as workout room west/additional storage. Large master suite west/dual walk-in shower and closets, dual vanities and water closet. Updated fixtures and hardware west/neutral decor. 2 separate office areas, large bonus room.